Hello, everyone. It's my surprise of the week. I had asked my team some color they were challenged with, and one was Calypso and chocolate chip and many other colors. So I decided, well, I'm going to do a card with those colors. Let me see if I can see here what's going on. I know it's a Monday morning. Many people are busy on the Monday morning. So to know if you're watching live or if you're watching recording, right above on the left hand side, you're going to see live in red if it's live. And if it's not there, that means you're watching the recording. That's simple. So super quick card today. We're going to use the Heartfelt Bloom. And this it's one, if it's not my favorite stamp set in all the celebration. I'm trying to get this thing here that I can see comment. Here we go. I don't think I cannot say I think it is my favorite stamp. And it's very detailed. It's a special name for those stamps. I don't know. They told me, but I don't remember. I just know it's pretty. That's it. I don't have to know anything else, but it's pretty. So, outside the box, these are not the color that I use usually, but they are plain striking. I use black for the background. Right now, we're going to use chocolate chip. Just done this technique. See, it looked like it's completely like a wallpaper in the 70's. You know, those tangerine and yellow in the 70's. I think it looked like that. So I'm going to flip you down and we're going to get started. This is going to be very quick today for a Monday morning. Most people get quite a bit going on, but like I said, this is recorded. So we're going to start with a piece of cardstock, Whisper White, that measure 5 1/4 by 4. 5 1/4 by 4. When you mix colors like this, you want, well, you or I should say, always start with the lightest color. So in this case, I'm going to use the So Saffron. Hi, Connie. And so it doesn't matter which color you go with. I would say start with the lightest color. And so let me bring my scrappy paper here that I just used. So we're going to have a clean surface to work with after. Oh, I'm sorry. For this technique, you want to start with the dark color. Usually when I stamp two-step, it's always the light color first. But in this case, you want to start with the dark color. So here we go. So I'm going to come right here. Right there and right there. Here we go. I did a lot more orange on this one. I say orange, it's Calypso. Now let me wash this. Yeah, it does look like the not 80's but the 70's wallpaper. That gold and orange and oh yeah. I think I'm going to call that the 70's card. Now we're going to do it in So Saffron. And you're going to understand why you want to do the light first. I mean, the dark first. So then when you come on top, it don't even show. See? Whew! Save, save, save. So see? It's really look like one of those wallpaper. Super, super simple. Now we're going to use the, Memento Black. And we're going to do our greeting. I'm doing Thinking of You. And this card here, I'm going to send it to the winner. How can you win the card? It's leave a comment or share my broadcast. And I'm going to announce the winner maybe Wednesday. So if you like my page and get notified, click on notify, then I can tag you if you win. If not, you're going to have to keep a close eye because I just wait a few days. And if it's not claimed, then I send it another place because I cannot keep all those stats. Now, one thing you want to do, it's going to be 1 3/8 that we're going to punch. And you want to know about, how, see, you cannot go higher than that or that. So you're going to have to keep it about in this area here, because we're going to do spotlight. This is what it's called, spotlight. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to put my thinking of you right here. Stamp that. I use black. I should have used chocolate chip because that's what I'm going to do my background, but whatever. It's done. Now I'm going to use 1 3/8. You're going to put that here. You're going to stamp that out. Voila. And then you're going to use the layer under that. It's going to be chocolate chip. This measure 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. I just wanted a little border. That is it. So now that I got that, and this ribbon here, it's the Calypso ribbon. It's the one in the shimmer ribbon pack in Celebration. I didn't even use it yet, so I'm like, huh. So that's what I just used it for my card this morning. So we're going to use this. So what you're going to do, I'm going to put this here. You want a little bit, like maybe 2 inch, 3, I'm going to say about 3 inch longer, and I went way longer there. Thanks for sharing, Cheryl. And then do that on, I do my faux bow or faux knot, whatever you want to call it. I just put my finger there. 1, see, and then go back around. And when you tie it, you don't want to tie it that your blood don't circulate. You want it to put loose so you can slide in and off. For some reason, I twisted wrong. Let me try to retwist this here. I had a big knot there. So I'm going to do my knot. Maybe not enough caffeine this morning, right? It's supposed to be stormy this afternoon, so I'm like, well, I'm going to do this before it gets stormy. Okay, this morning it's just not working. Trust me, this is the easiest faux bow, faux knot, whatever you call it. It is simple and easy. Here we go. You want it rough there? When it's rough there, it's going to, see, completely flat inside. Now you're going to take this here, and we're going to glue this part here first. Going to put that right here. Okay, I see my chocolate chip. This is 1 inch wide. It's too long, so what I'm going to do, always go from the back, no matter what, go from the back so you don't cut in your card itself. And now we're going to mount that on. It's easier if we mount the New Brunswick. Well, that is darn close to where I was born. Which part of New Brunswick, Sherry, you're from? Thanks, Michelle, for sharing. We're going to put the chocolate chip first. Excuse me. Hey, Nika, you're not in class, or you're getting ready to go to class? It must be dang early for you. Here it is 11, or it's 9 o'clock her time. I bet she's getting ready for school. Edmonton. Edmonton or Edmundston? Because New Brunswick should be Edmundston, I would think. Maine. I got a lot of people on the East Coast today. Okay, now I get all my glue in the back of that. Take your ribbon, and I want my bow more at the top because we're going to have the greeting at the bottom there. So we're going to take this, flip this, and I always add more adhesive in the back of my ribbon just to make sure that it's secure there. And we're going to put that right here. Oh, one thing though, you would punch your hole from your chocolate chip, and I forgot that. So let me grab a piece of scrap paper here. Chocolate chip. Chocolate, chocolate, where are you? Here it is. So before you glue this, take the 1.5 and punch your circle on this part, so you don't have to have extra piece of cardstock. I would have punched it out of this first. Now you're going to put this here. It doesn't matter, as long as you push your punch far enough that you don't go on the side, it's perfectly fine. See, I just wanted a tiny little border, and that's what I got. Now we're going to take our Thinking of You, put that right here, and we're going to use a dimensional. Use a dimensional here. I'll get 2. Thanks for sharing, Diane. Cookies sound good, yes. So now you see why I call that the spotlight. Now you're going to put that here, and it keeps the pattern going. How simple is that? Now you're going to, on your bow here, we just got a loop, right? What you're going to do, go diagonal, voila. And always take a glue dot and put it in the back here. So then it stays secure at the top. Et voila. How simple that was. Now let's bring the party inside and on the envelope so it's ready to be mailed. I should have envelope someplace here. Okay. Let's put, it was so saffron, the last color we stamped with. So let's open this up. And I'm going to put that right here. See, just in the corner, so it go perfect. Now the envelope, you want, when you stamp on the envelope, if you want to stay friends with the post office and not get your card reject sometime, you want to keep all your stamping on the left side. That part, it's for the post office. The stamp go there, and when they put it in the machine, sometimes they print those line and it go at this side. So always stamp on this side. Now I'm going to sign the back of this card. Like I said, one of you are going to be the winner. Here we go. And when I send you the card, I don't write anything inside. The only thing that I put, it's one of those sticky notes that I got print out. It say I didn't sign the card, but you can use it. And I put that in. And now see, and the way that I store my cards, I store them this way. So then when I grab the card, the envelope match, so it's all ready to go. That's simple. Another thing we could add that would be, we can, in the center here, maybe we could do those circle. I mean, you don't need nothing else really, because this card is pretty just the way it is, I think. So how simple that is. See, so now you can see it in the chocolate chip and then in the black. So you get a little bit of difference. This is more soft, I think. So it could be any cards. Let me flip you back up. You like it? Awesome, awesome. Here we go. Add some white on the thing there. So this is it for my surprise of the week. So like I said, celebration, it's getting at the end. I mean, this is the last month. So the only way you can qualify is to place an order, $50 for that. Another thing, I don't know if you saw my blog today at FrenchSheetStamps.com. I used the embossing folder, the basket weave, and I did a basket with it. So here it is, close up. Is that a fun card? Oops, so this way. See how fun it is? So I used the weave basket and done that. I saw somebody said, Dan, someone I missing you It's recorded, Judy, so you can watch it back. So that is it for my Monday morning. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a lovely week. I will be live Thursday night. So I hope you can join me Thursday night. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye for now.